Hello, you trader nerds. Hal, Che, Matt, Jolly Wally, Tom Eck, PSG. Who else we got? Donnie, we got Vicky, we got DB, we got Dwayne, we got Mo, we got Robert, we got the whole cast of characters around. And welcome in, baby. We are the trader nerds. We never trade alone. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds right here with Sweet Bobby. Look at this. Waka, waka, waka. What did the CPI number say? It must have said something. But I don't know. I didn't even watch it, but I thought we'd be down today. But look, we're up 0.82%, up 43 handles. Wow. Let's see how much volume we got going on here. Oh no, it doesn't show my volume average anymore. Look at this, Matt Jolly Wally. It normally would show the average, but now it doesn't show the average. I got to get that indicator back somewhere. Showing the average volume. It shows the amount here, but it doesn't show the average. Huh. VIX is in 12 handle. That's helping our positions a lot. AD 210, very strong. AD's been dropping down lately, so we're in a lunchtime chop. But we don't have the big green monster yet. Hopefully that will come at some point. See if it's there yet. I don't think it is. No, don't have a big green monster yet. Got to reset all my Fibonacci levels back to the normal thing. This is not the way it is, so I got to get rid of all that. But yeah, market's up. Let's look at the linear regression. Linear regression doing what the linear regression does. We go to the bottom of the thing and then we're going back up, y'all. It's just a matter of time. Up, up, and away. Everything just looks bullish. Looks really, really bullish. So that really works good for our strategy. So let's see how we're doing today. We're going to do the little $45,000 strategy. See what we're doing here today. So we hadn't traded this since the 10th. So hopefully Theta has decayed and our money has gone up. Let's see how we're doing today. I think this is going to be good. Let's see. We pull it up for y'all. So we are at 48 214. 48 214. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
We are up almost 15% on the year, and the market is up 11%. So this is what you call alpha, baby. We are really doing really good, really good. So let's see our Greeks and ratios today. 60, 11, 60 deltas, 11 theta. I'll explain to that what that means for those of you that are new. Wow, why's my thing so low? Did we have something to hit? And VIX is at 12%, 12. So this means we have the equivalent of 60 long SPY shares, and 11 is our theta decay. Have we not had, we must have had some things to fire off or something. Our buying power is at, let's get all of our buying power here. 13,779. So we'll say 13.8. We don't include our bill that we got. So 13.8. Let's look at that. 13.8. Wow, that theta number really kicked down. So yeah, this is good. Let's look and see if any of our GTC orders have failed. I don't think they have. 14 days, we'll do 7 days. J day GTC failed on the 10th, but we already knew about that. So nothing really to do here. Okay, other than our trade. And what we've been doing with this one is we've been putting on one per, let's see what the spreadsheet says. Well, we don't have the little tab in there, but we've been doing one MES every week, or no, 2 a week. So one on Wednesdays and one on Fridays. Let's just do that. First of all, let's see if anything says that we ought to close it. Not getting any signals here, so everything looks good. So let's just do our little trade, y'all. Now, those of you out in YouTube land who are new to our strategy, it's easy for you to pick poles in it and say, "Oh, Bobby, you picking up, pennies in front of a steamroller and all this kind of stuff." But I'll tell you, we've been doing this for 3 years, and I've never found a strategy as consistent as this one. It just prints money. It just prints money, and I don't know. Maybe we're just lucky or something. I don't know, but it does good. So what we do is we go out to 120 days, closest 120 days, and we've been selling something that's 10% in the money. Well, we can't do it here because, you got to keep in mind, you got all this stuff going here. So we could do this 2250, or I guess I could go out further in time. I've burned all my strikes here. I don't have any left unless I, recycle some strikes. Let's see what the next expiration is out. 128 days. Oh, heck yeah, we can do that. 128 days. So 10% probability of being in the money. So we'll get about 30 bucks out of that. We'll try to get 30 and a quarter. We'll try to get 30 and a 50. And let's see if we can get that. Oh, we might get it. Apparently not. So replace 30. Make it less advantageous, Bobby. You gotta learn how to do these things, son. No liquidity out here. Let's go down. Make it got back to 30. There we go. We got filled at 30. So 128 days, 30, 48.50. 48.50. Got filled at $30. And what do we say? 128 days? Good. 5, 15, 20, 24. And this is in the micros. So we did one of those. We'll call him NP12. Puts, and he is naked. There we go. So now we got to do a put debit spread. Do one of those. PDS 12. Don't know what it is. We know it's puts, we know it's debit spread, and we know it's 128, and we know we're putting it on today. All right, so let's go put it. Now, how do you do the put debit spread? That's pretty easy. You go to about the 25 delta or so. You're going to buy that booger, and you're going to sell one right under there. And we want to do it where we do it for about under $10, right? 52, 51.50 for whatever we did that there. Didn't get filled. That's fine. Bump it up. Pay a little more. 985. Does that get us filled? No. I didn't get us filled either. Well, we'll go up a little bit more. They're probably waiting on me at 10. They know I'll go to 10, so they're like, let's just let the son of a gun go to 10. There we go. 990. So we got the 5200 at 990. 5200. 5150 at 990. All right, y'all. So we took in about, a little under $100 in premium today. So that's good. That's just keep the boat going. So remember, the trade plan tells us everything that we need. And when we go here to the Greeks and ratios, our deltas are fine. See, it's green. Our theta is non-existent. It's almost like I should have, hold on a second. I know what the problem is. I bet you the last time, let's look at our trade tab. You remember those 5 filled on that GTC order? I bet I never went out and sold another 3. I bet that's what we need to do. We need to start another tranche of a BSH8. So why don't we do that? BSH8. So we'll do that on ES. And that'll pump our theta up. That's the problem. I didn't do that. So we'll do BSH8. And we'll go puts. It's going to be a short hedge. And we'll probably put him out at that 128 day too. Let's see what we do. Something for $3. Get that theta up.
In the wrong
Oh, you're
thing.
right, Hal. Thank you, Hal. Hal is almost like my conscience so many times. He's just always there. So let's go 127. We'll do the 127 here. And go down to $3. And since my theta is so low, y'all, I'm gonna build this up some. I'm gonna do 6 of these. Because look, my theta is just 4 now. Unbelievable. So I'm gonna bump my theta up through my black swan hedge. I'm gonna do 6 of these puppies. 6. And we'll try to get 315. Let's see if we can do that. 6 of those puppies for 315. No. They don't want to let me do it. So let's try 310. Here we go, 310. So let's see what we did again. We did 127 days. And we did the 3250s for 310. 3250s for 310. 3250s. And we're gonna make this didn't I do 6? Yeah. For 310. And we did it 127 days. 5, 15, 24. So now what we got to do is put the kibosh on it. Let's go ahead and put our closing order in for that. We know what that's going to be, 20 cents, right? So we'll go close it, close position, the full 6, when we get down to 20 cents. And we'll make that a GTC order, good till canceled. Then we also know that we need to buy 10, right? 2 tranches of these little things. So buy 10 of these. When we can do so for a break even. And we've been doing these, you know, for $1.55 or so, and do a GTC there. Now, I want you to understand what we did is we harvested, or we bought 5 loans the other day, which meant I could immediately sold 3 shorts. But my theta was so low, y'all, that I said, let's screw that. Let's bump our theta up by selling extra black swan hedges. And now I've done that from 87 to 33 to 33. And what were we before? We were, let's see, we're 87 now, and we were 33. We tripled our amount of theta. That's the way you organically grow that thing. Isn't that great? All right, guys. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I can't wait to see you tomorrow.
How much did your buying power change?
Let's see what our buying power changed. Yeah, let's see what our buying power changed. Buying power went up to 13,379. Well, we got to, let's see. I think we got to refresh it.
You're not sharing your screen.
Oh, I'm not sharing it. Hold on a second. I'll tell you what it is. Okay, here it is. 3158 is what it is. 3158. So let's put that in there. Let's see, I could share again, I guess. Hold on a second. Did it go to 3158? That sounds like too high. Hold on a minute. Let me go back and see. Positions. 17,951. That's what it is now. 17,951. Put that in. 17,951. So it changed it up to 37%. And again, I can use up to 50%, so I'm good. Do y'all see the power of this? Oh, y'all, you use this. People say, Bobby, how do you know what to do? It's all in your plan, my friend. It's all in your plan. Your plan tells you what's your minimum theta supposed to be. You know, what you've got goals. This plan right here is worth millions of dollars, in my opinion. This is $1 million plan. You got this plan, you got the I mean, it's $1 million plan. I think you'll make more than $1 million using this plan. I think we all will. I think it's great. All right, guys. Y'all have a good day, and I will see all of you on tomorrow. Bye, y'all.